Push this old girl outside for the first time in about a year. Got the rear end centered up, measured. See if we can clear a 14-inch wheel. And it's gonna be tight, but it's gonna work on a 28-10.5. Back sitting pretty good now. Just gotta get the front sitting right. Change up a little bit, work on the old tilt nose today. Put the new strange master cylinder in there. Car came with these cheap old Speedway conversion mounts just sitting there. And just like every other Chinese thing, they don't fit. So, put a bare block on a transmission, gonna shove it in the hole, and instead of bolting them in, I'm gonna weld it up where it fits. Gotta cut the factory transmission crossmember mounts off real quick. We'll get it stoved in here. One more reason it would have been faster, the ICT billet mounts, everything says bolt on. I had to chase all the threads with them. The Moroso solid motor mounts, I had to take the carbide bit and open up the holes on them because none of the holes lined up. Could have literally had it already sitting in the car with a motor plate and a mid plate, but I'm too stupid. A little rough cut on the transmission or bell housing mounts on the frame. Totally gonna go back and grind that later or just forget about it. Well, after changing the mounts on the plate 30 times, moving the motor, transmission, it still has terrible gaps on the frame mounts. And can't get the motor where I want it. Figured I'd try these frame mounts out since they came with the car and the adapter, but probably gonna either have to order a different set of mounts or just go ahead and motor plate the car. Because in every single position you put them in, it's a crappy fitment. And I really like the motor sitting back about 3 more inches. Is that how they do it on TV?
Yes.
Ooh, that's a lot of gap.
You don't see the gap on this side.
Oh, it's on both sides. Huh. Look down a little bit. Did that help it?
Oh yeah. Still got a lot of gap on this side. Right there some more.
Well, I don't know about old paint.